My dear brothers and sisters, we now enter into the immediate days of our Advent journey, now listening to immediate pre-Christmas stories in the New Testament, or shall we say, with the infancy narratives, as Pope Benedict XVI would tell us. And today we begin these days by reading the genealogy of Jesus Christ. There is something inspiring with this timeline of the descendants of Jesus. Jesus was part of a family with imperfections. Madami sa parte ng kanyang lahi ang makasalanan, ang naiskandalo, may krisis, o may hindi tamang nagawa. And we will ask ourselves, why would God will to have His Son be part of this kind of family? Why not with angels? Why not among the righteous, the holiest, or maybe the very good people around Him? Well, my dear friends, the answer for these questions will be this. Let us remember why He was born. He was born to save a wounded world, and such He is part of a family to heal also a wounded family. Hindi niya ikinahiya na galing siya sa isang ganitong klaseng pamilya. Pero mas naging malalim pa nga ang kanyang misyon nang siya ay mabilang sa ganitong klaseng pamilya. We know that our families are not that perfect. We know our families are also struggling. But my dear friends, brokenness, sins, and struggles will not stop a Savior to be with us. Sino man tayo, anuman ang kalagayan natin, sa bigat ng kasalanan natin, may darating na magliligtas para sa atin. Let us not allow our families' imperfections and sins discourage us. But knowing that we are all weak, sinful, and unworthy, it will still be a Merry Christmas to us. Jesus will still be lovingly be born in our lives. No brokenness, sins, and struggles will never stop a Savior to be with us.